sales document or header label, there someone changed the shipping condition. I'll just show you what are the exact error related to your shipping point determination. Actually, you have created your sales document, Belita sales order, some document name. Okay, in that someone assigned another shipping condition. I'll just show you 1 minute. The main
But
error are
how
only
did
the,
we
yeah,
have that
yeah,
number?
yeah. This you have logged in. You are in the
Sorry?
system. You
Yes,
have
I'm in it.
login. Yeah, just take a disconnect.
Okay, I will log out.
Ah, hmm.
I just wanted to check this item proposal if everything works correctly. Um, okay.
I tell you how to solve this error related to shipping point determination. Three area you just go and check. First, you go to the customer and you check the shipping condition correct, maintain or not. Then you go to the material. There you check loading group. Then one more area you go, that is a sales document header label. Just 1 minute, huh? VOV8. You go with the sales document header label, and which sales document of your header label, like order, you select. Like for example, your sales order sales document is this one. Where is it? This is your sales document order, है ना? Correct?
Yes.
Yeah, you select this one and go inside the sales document or header label, and here someone might be changing the shipping condition. See here, last time I have seen that someone maintained AA, this one AA maintained by someone, so that's the error relevant to AA only. Error was related to AA. Someone changed. So better you can come to this page or sales document header label, and you just give your shipping condition. Here also required shipping condition. Okay.
But I think it was another one. Let me check.
Ah.
It was written because I was sent it. 1 second. Shipment condition loading group 003. Yes. Yes. It is not
Actually, problem. No. Why it's showing the error? Because if you go to the standard sales document, I'll just show you where the standard sales document OR. That is a standard sales document, correct? OR is a standard sales document
Yes.
order.
Yes.
In
Yes.
that, if you go inside that, there is no point to change in. See, this is someone change. Okay, this is the shipping condition. Someone change. Actually, last time that was a 02, but someone changed the shipping condition. That is the reason. When you're creating sales order, system is not finding a shipping point, because this shipping condition also required. But I thought that is already standard maintained, so no need to go to check there. But here lots of people is practicing and doing some changes. So I never know in this page they will do some changes. So this is a page shipping sales document order, either standard. What you using? For example, you're creating order, and you're creating order. You using which sales document order? BLOR, correct?
Mm-hmm.
If you're
Yes.
creating sales document, a sales order, you're using this one, BLOR, correct?
Well,
Na? So you have to check here in BLOR, the shipping condition is correct, maintained or not. Because someone keep changing the shipping condition, the error will be started. They started. So here you go to the sales document by this BLOR. T code you know na, VOV8 है ना, VOV8 sales document header, and go to the this order, double click, and here you can see if you maintain or not. Maybe XYZ someone maintain, yeah, maybe someone changed. For example, I just go inside and I change it by 56. So that error will be start, because you're creating sales order and you have maintained the combination of shipping condition 02 only, not 56. That's the reason it's showing. The 02 is standard, but someone changing from the standard to the customized one. So that's the reason error was started. So you go to this page while creating sales order, you're not finding the shipping point in your order page. You must be checking this page by VOV8 T code. है ना? Correct? Understood?
Yes. Yes. I got you.
Yeah, VOV8 you go and then go to the sales document header label, and in that shipping condition you check it's proper maintained or not. The shipping condition maintained. Maybe, for example, if this is maintained. Next time if you're going to create, again the error will start. So maybe someone changing the shipping condition here. That is the reason. Simple. That is the concept. Now today I'll go to the new topic. The topic name is third party sales. Okay. Third party sales. What is the meaning of third party? You can see third party sales is a process in SAP. The third party order processing, the company does not deliver the items requested by the customer. Instead of, we pass the order to third party vendor who deliver directly goods to the customer and bill the company. Simple. When a customer come to the sales organization, sales office, and he place the order of a particular product, but the product is not available to the sales organization. Maybe the product is not there, no. Okay, so what the generally sales person will do, that product will be purchased from some other person, that is a vendor, and that product delivered to the customer place. Simple. Okay, in third party sales, the order, when the customer comes for the order and product is not available to the sales organization, the company who placed the order to the third party, that is a vendor, to deliver that product to the customer, and then billing will be with the customer and company, and one more billing, customer with company with vendor. You know what is the meaning of vendor? Vendor means the third party. Okay, simple here. I just mentioned one diagram. These are on company, and the order come from the customer. See, the customer is placing the order to the company, but company sending that order to the vendor. Okay, because company don't have product what which is required by client customer, so that order the company sent to the vendor, that is a third party, and the vendor delivered the product to the customer. This is the concept of third party sales. Okay. Yeah, so you can ask any question like regarding this, if you understood, so we can go ahead.
Yeah, we can go ahead. Yeah, I understand this.
Understand, because the
Yes.
product not available in the company are giving that order to the third party vendor to deliver that product to the customer. So here few points we have to know under the third party sales. First, we have to create configuration step. In the configuration step, we create a material as a third party product. Okay, first we create a material as a third party product. In that material, we have material type will be HAWA. Material type HAWA, that is a trading goods. Okay, what is the meaning of this material type? That is a trading, trading good. And item category for this material is BANS. Okay, so that make differ from a normal material and third party material. Normal material, when you're creating, we're using the finished goods. Okay, but in the third party material, we use the material type is HAWA, that is a trading good, and item category will be BANS for that material. First, we in the configuration step, we create the material by using material type HAWA. Then we maintain the item category BANS. Then we need a vendor, that is a vendor with a third party. We maintain one vendor under the SAP sales and distribution, but this vendor is generally created by material management, not in SD. Okay, vendor is come to the material management. So here this topic is SDMM integration. Okay, the topic is SDMM integration. SDMM integration. So here we have customer, that is under SD, and there is a vendor that is under the MM, material management. So here we need to create vendor under the MM, material management, by using T code XD01, and then we create the sales order. Okay, then we check the sales order, then good receipt in MM. Okay, good receipt in MM. Like once the product delivered, the good receipt under the MM, and for this good receipt, the T code is transaction code is MIGO. Then later billing will be in sales and distribution. Billing will be sales and distribution with customer. This is the process we have to know. So one by one, first we go and create a material, then we go to create one vendor, that is a third party. Then simple, first we go create a sales order, then sales order once we created, then there is a purchase requisition number in generated in sales order. We can check by VA03. Then after this, 1 minute. we create a purchase order with the reference of purchase requisition, that is another okay, purchase order created in then once purchase order created, vendor delivered that product, that is under the good receipt, product will be delivered, then finally the billing will be in sales and distribution with customer. So there is a two billing, one is material management, there is a with vendor with the company, another billing will be under the sales and distribution with customer. Okay, clear?
Yes.
This is the first step we have to know. So first step I am going to create a material as a third party material, and material type will be HAWA and item category BNS. Let's see. Step 1, we create the material. Create material, we have transaction code MM01. Enter industry sector, that is retail. Now here material type will be not finished good, that is a trading goods. Trading goods means that is which material type? HAWA. How to check this material type? How to check this material type HAWA? We have one T code to check the material type, and the T code is OMS2. OMS2 to check the material type HAWA. Go to the OMS2. Here you can see numbers of material type, that like a raw material, finished goods, semi-finished, like that. So we have one more material type, that is what?
Hava. Yes, this one.
Hava.
Trading
That
goods.
is, yeah, trading good. Like we have finished goods, that we are using FERT, finished good. So Hava is a trading good. Now I'm going to create by using material type HAWA. Okay. Now we go to select view. Here we are selecting numbers of view, but one more extra view we have to select. 1 minute, I just show you. Basic data 1, that we are selecting generally to creating the finished good. Sales organization data 1. If we need 2 also, we can select general plant data. One more view that we have to select, that is a purchasing view. Okay, purchasing. This view is come under the material management. I selected purchasing. Then general plant storage 1, that we are selecting to the SD, and storage 2, and then accounting 1. So what? Yeah, accounting. Only one extra view we have selected, that is a purchasing view, because this is a third party material, accounting 1. Then click on organization levels, plant, PGPL, so look at PGSL, sales organization PGSO, and distribution channel P1. Continue. Yeah. Procter and Gamble shampoo, maybe this is a third party. The shampoo is not available, that is third party product. Just I mentioned, we can understand this is a third party product. Whatever the necessary detail. 1 minute. Someone, they see someone changed the division here also. That is a problem. 1 minute.
Yes. Also,
Yeah, same. So many things they are doing changes. But I'm got it because this is a multiple user here, and they are doing some changes unnecessary. We're not required to do changes, but maybe some candidates is trying to see some more result after the changes. So that is we can't control. 1 minute. I'm just going to check so many things they have changed. Where is the logistic? Very difficult to find the this one. Let me take 1 minute.
Basic data.
Maybe this. TPL. Give me one moment. I just check where this is not required to do change, but maybe some above consultant or maybe some the region they are doing some changes. Material group. One minute, I just check here. Some technical consultant is doing some changes. One minute, I again going back to again create the same. Let's see it's come or not. Basic data one, sales organization two, purchasing, then general plan data, then storage one, then storage two, then accounting one, organization level. Yes. So P1. No. Uh, Again, this division is not showing here. Why they're doing something?
Yeah, this I noticed yesterday also.
Yes. Because someone changed the division. Because they have deleted that, hide the division. The problem is that this is not a functional consultant job. That is a technical consultant job in MM. If required something
Yes.
changes, they will do some changes. ABAP has some responsibility to do some changes, technical changes. But they are here some user they are practicing as a ABAP consultant, as a trainee, and doing some changes.
ABAP consultant is the job of ABAP consultants much complicated than
Yes, much.
functionality.
No, enough function complicated in the sense they have the technical requirement, like they have to do write some new program script tape and some code that is not functional, but complicated to both functional and technical both. But in ABAP they have to go with the programming, some programming related to the new field, like that. You are to not you are the functional consultant, no? You're HR.
Well, now I work like I'm doing everything. So I do like query monitoring, I do some technical translations from Russian to English. Also, I
Okay.
am just also like client support, something like this, but it's
Okay.
still not like functional. I'm a technical
Okay.
consultant, but I'm doing everything. so, so I
So
don't know
you
whoever.
okay, okay. But
Sorry.
you're not in ABAP. You're not in ABAP.
No, no, no. We work
Okay.
with uh, FICO, SD, MM, what else? SRM.
So okay.
Yes,
Currently
and
working
that's
with
not
which currently
that.
working with which company? Larson.
Sorry.
Which company you're working?
Yeah, in LTI, Larsen and Toubro.
Yeah, Larson too, bro. Okay, okay.
It's Indian company, but it's situated also in Poland.
It's a German company.
Indian. It's Indian, but probably
Indian company.
it was created by somebody from
Okay, okay.
Norway, maybe from Norway, I think, from
Okay, no.
Northern
No.
Europe. Yes,
Okay,
but it's
okay.
Indian, and most
Uh-huh.
of people who work in this company are from India. I'm
Yeah,
the only
Larson.
person from Europe
Yeah,
on that my project.
yeah, 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 yeah. Because in India, I have seen L&T Infotech. That is L&T Infotech. Okay,
Yes, yes, yes.
L&T Infotech, Larsen Turbo Infotech. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
see here in basic data one, what we have to maintain for the trading goods, we give the material name, unit of measurement, division, material group, and here not NORM. That is a change. Item category group is be change. Which one? Just BANS. Okay, BANS.
Mm-hmm.
Got the thing? These are BNS. We change the item category group BNS. Other details as simple what we maintain for the normal material. We maintain only the difference between normal finished goods and trading goods is we change the item category group that is a BNS. Then
Mm-hmm.
enter next page. Uh, number four. Sales unit like box. 1 minute. So many changes done by someone. That is the problem here. 1 minute. Just it's not mandatory, but they have someone change the mandate. They maintain the mandatory field here. Okay. Uh, numbers of changes required. 1 minute. Give me 1 minute. I'm just going to do again some changes because so many changes done by here. Okay. This
Yeah, I
is
understand.
yeah. You can see numbers of area they have maintained made the mandatory field. Okay. Like 1 minute.
Mm-hmm.
Uh, it's very difficult to check one by one to solve this error. 1 minute. I need to change so many areas because so many areas they have maintained the mandatory field. So let's see. One by one, I'll just try to solve error. 1 minute. One minute. Okay, everything same we maintain. Only thing item category I have changed. Now I'm going to the next page. Here ability check zero
Mhm.
one 02 whatever. Add loading group and transportation group like manual or crane. Just giving the transportation group. Then enter. Then go to the purchasing group. See, come to the purchasing tab because we have selected one more extra tab that is a purchasing tab. Here we maintain the purchasing. So I have created one purchasing group that is a Tata purchasing. Any purchasing group I can take a standard, for example 001. That is a standard purchasing group. The purchasing group means what? The group which responsible for giving the purchase order to the vendor. The group just like a sales group. Sales group, what are the job of sales group? To selling the product. So purchasing group, the job is to purchasing the material like that. So purchasing group I have given. Then one more sales list required for the who the vendor for this material. We maintain. Then enter other details as same as we maintaining for the normal material. Then valuation class is different. Okay, 7920 is for the finished goods, but this is a trading good. For trading good, we have valuation class is 22226. That is a trading good valuation class. This is a difference. Okay. Now the price of the material, like what are the price? For example, 500 rupees. Then enter, then save. So we have created one material. That material is 185. Okay.
Mhm.
Here now
Yes.
after material creation, we have this is under the material SD. We created the material under the SD. Now we create the vendor that is under the MM. Okay, this part we do under the material management. I just go to create vendor by using this T code, not XD01, XK01. XK01 T code to create the vendor. XD01 for customer creation, XK01 for vendor creation. Now here I'm going to the main page to create one vendor, XK01. Now this is the create vendor. Company code PNG1. Purchase organization, that is one organization we need to maintain. I just maintain the one purchase organization. I'll show you. We have already created the purchase organization. Then account group. Account group, just like a customer, we maintain the account group. Vendor also we maintain the account group. Account group for number range. Like for example, I need the number from this account group with the domestic vendor. Like, and then create enter button. Press enter. Oh,
Hmm?
number is not assigned. 1 minute. 1 minute. Uh, 1 minute. Selecting any standard account group from here. Uh, Now enter. With few details we have to maintain about the vendor, like Procter and Gamble vendor, why whatever the name, uh, short search term, location, where is it vendor in India, country, region, basic details we maintain. Then uh, then continue. Then again next page, that is some vendor payment transaction details like bank account details if required we maintain, leave it. Then enter here reconciliation account. When for the customer we maintain 1,40,000, that is for FI integration. Here we maintain reconciliation account, that is 1,60,000 for vendor. That reconciliation account is a one general ledger account under the FI module. There the mean of this reconciliation account is the one account their vendor related payment will be maintained, that is reconciliation account. And enter payment terms like this immediate payment or some time period required be maintained. Then go to the next, that is the last page, purchasing data, order currency, which currency, INR, what are the payment terms, like, okay. Then enter and save it, simple. Enter and we created vendor. I will just remember the number of the vendor. This is the vendor. Now this vendor we have created, and next this vendor info record will be maintained in the system in that will be done by I'm not going to create any info record here. I'm just coming to the next step. That step, after the create vendor we create a sales order. Okay, just go to create a sales order. Then once you create a sales order, one request number will be generated, that is a purchase requisition number. That request number goes to the department. They will raise a purchase order to the vendor, and vendor supply the material, like that. So let's see, I have maintained the vendor and I have maintained the material. I'm just going to create a sales order. Create sales order, transaction code is VA01. Enter. Sales order type PGOR, sales organization, distribution channel, division. If required sales office and sales group, you can maintain, otherwise leave it blank. Then enter. Then go to the customer. The product, which or that is a third party product, we can find here. Oh, 1 minute. Which product? The number we forgot. I just finding. Oh, 1 minute. Hmm. That is third product, 185
This one.
product. As a third party, then order quantity maybe 10 piece, and here item category automatic will be changed. Other if not changed, I'll just show you which item category we maintain for this order for this material. Not listed on. This error is listing, because we have already maintained the listing. We have already done the configuration of listing, so that material will be listed also with this customer. 1 minute. You know how to maintain the listing. The one topic we have done for listing, we code VV01.
Mm-hmm.
Yes, because without listing of this material with this customer, system will not allow to create the sales order. So now I'm just going to maintain the listing. That is sorry, PG A3. That is a listing, and here with this customer we maintain the material for listing. 1 minute. Hmm. Customer material we select. customer 400 and material, which material 185, that will be listed, otherwise system will not allow to create order. Now I listed this material and save. Now I'm just going to order page. Now it order will be, error will be solved. 1 minute. Now we have selected the material with the quantity, and here this is the item category. Remember, this is standard item category, this is TAN, but this is for third party item. So we select not TAN, we select TAS. I'll just show you what is the meaning of TAS. That is a third party
Third
item.
party item.
Remember, standard material we have item category stand TAN, but this is third party material that we select TAS. Enter TAS. Then select your material line and double click. You maintain some required details. What required details? Storage location. That is, we forgot the store location. Is system asking the store location. 1 minute. PGCL. I just given the store location. Then consumption account. What is the problem here? Consumption account. GB. 1 second. I have so many error related to FI also. Just go to check. This error is actually related to FI. 1 minute. Here three integration required: SD, MM, FI also. So some error is related to FI. I'm just going to check. One second, I just better check here. What the error is showing. The system was not able to define a consumption account for the purchase order item with account assignment. Consumption account is not complete with the location automatic posting. Automatic posting. PL 185. One 3801. Still error is showing here. Maybe someone changed the standard. Okay, leave it this topic because the numbers of error is there. I need to check so many things, so it will be take time to solve this error. Okay, so next class I'll go to the third party sales because some numbers of error is there. I'll just take another topic. Okay, the topic that is I'm taking That name of the topic is consignment. Okay. Consignment process is where product is stored at the customer location, but the owner of this product is still company. Customers store the consignment stock at their own warehouse. Customer can consume product from warehouse at any time, and customer bill for product for actually quantities consumed in consignment stock processing. There are four main transactions in the SAP system. Now, what are the concept of consignment? The company has a numbers of company has a huge quantity of product. That quantity company wanted to send to the customer play. Who the customer? That is a dealer, not consumer. Okay, the customer is customer. Sorry, company send the material product to the dealer's place, and once dealer starts selling the product to the customer, final customer, then billing will be start with the company. What are the product is, has been sold by dealer to the customer, that product billing will be with the company. What are the product which not sold, it will be returned back to the company. That is the concept of consignment. So here in consignment we have four steps. First, consignment fill up, like from a company, the product will be fill up from warehouse. Warehouse, there is store location. Then consignment issue, the stock issue from warehouse to the dealer's place. Dealer's place. Okay. Then dealer started
Mm-hmm.
selling the product to the customer. Once the product, for example, in out of for example, 1 second, I just write here. For example, company send 1,000 pieces of shampoo, for example, to the dealer place. Okay, but out of 1,000, dealer only sold 800. So billing will be only for 800 with the customer, sorry, company. 200 shampoo that will not sold by dealer will be returned back to the company. That's the concept. So the company send 100 piece of shampoo to the dealer's place, and out of 100, sorry, the company send the 1,000 piece of shampoo to the dealer's place, and out of 1,000, dealer only sold the 800 shampoo. Out of 800, only two is left in the dealer's place, that will be returned back to the company. So here consignment fill up means the company started 100,000 piece of shampoo to the from the warehouse, then it issue to the dealer's place. Then once it come to the dealer's place, he started selling shampoo to the customer, but he only sold 800 out of 1,000. So that 800 will be sold by dealer, and remaining 2,000, sorry, 200 will be returned back. So there is a consignment return. Then once consignment return, the company send the transportation to the dealer place to pick the material from dealer's place. Okay, clear?
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Four step. Consignment fill up means company started loading the shampoo pieces from the warehouse for the dealer's place. Then consignment issue. Finally, company send that material product to the dealer's place. The dealer started selling the material product to the customer. 1,000 pieces, only he sold 800 pieces. 200 pieces will be returned back to the company, and that will be picked up by the company's own vehicle from the dealer's place and returned back to the company. That is the concept of consignment. Hope so you understood this concept. Now we'll do the configuration. We have to know the configuration setting of consignment. So there we have four steps. First step is consignment fill up. For this consignment fill up, we need to know the sales document. General sales document is OR, but consignment sales document will be different. Okay. So now,
Mm-hmm.
what are the sales document of consignment fill up? That is a KB. Okay, KB. 1 minute.
Mm-hmm.
That is a KB.
KB.
KB. OR, you know now, OR means order. But here sales document of consignment fill up is KB means what? That is, this is a German language KB, but general in English we use CF. CF means consignment fill up. Okay. Then item category for consignment fill up is a KBN. Generally,
Mm-hmm.
at normal item category for material is TAN. For consignment, we have KBN. The schedule line for consignment fill up is, there is a movement type. Movement type is what? 631. 631 is a movement type for consignment fill up. This is for consignment fill up. Now come to the consignment issue. What are the sales document or consignment issue is? That is a KE in German, and in English that is CI, consignment issue. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
1 minute. And what is the item category for this consignment issue is KEN. Sorry, KEN. That is item category for consignment issue. We'll see in the system. I'm just writing in and I'll show you in the system. And what are the movement type was consignment issue is 633. 633. Now, third step, that is a consignment return. For consignment return is return sale document is KR, that is in German, but in English that is CR, consignment return.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Hmm. And then what are the sales item category for consignment return is KRN. And what are the movement type under the schedule line of consignment return is 634. Okay. Now, last finally, the consignment pickup by company on vehicle. For that sale document is KA, or we can say in English that is CP, consignment pickup. Then what are the item category for consignment pickup is KAN, and what are the movement type of under the schedule line, that is a 632. Okay, clear?
Mm-hmm.
Now I'm just going to show the in the system for 4 steps. What are the item category? What are the schedule line? What are the sale document? First step, we need to know what are the consignment fill up sale document, item category, schedule line. Let's see. We go to the system. Mhm. 1 minute. Consignment first fill up from the company's side, and in the warehouse the material is loading in the truck. That means consignment fill up. That first document. So we'll see. We go to the sale document. So we use the navigation, or we can use the direct transaction code SPRO, SAP reference IMG, then sales and distribution, then sales, then sales documents header, sale document header, and we go to the define sale document type. Normal sale document type for order is OR, but here consignment fill up sale document is CF. That is consignment fill up. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
here that is a sale
Yes.
normal. You know, na, what is the sale document for normal order? That is OR. Okay, but for consignment fill
Or
up, the sale document is CF. You select
yes.
CF and double click enter. You go to check sale document category, that is a C related to order, and other details as simple what we have seen in the order. Only difference between say, this normal order and consignment fill up is the no billing here. Only delivery type is there, no billing. Why there no billing? Because the company is giving this material, sorry, the company is sending this item to the dealer's place. So once dealer started selling that product to the customer, then billing will be generated by system with dealer. So before that there is no billing. Simple. I am the company, you are the dealer. I am just giving 100,000 pieces of shampoo to your place on credit. Once you start selling, you pay the balance, whatever the product you sold, what product you not sold, that will be returned back. So there is no billing under the consignment fill up, only delivery. This is the difference between normal order and consignment fill up. Now, what are the sales sorry, item category for consignment fill up? 1 second. The consignment fill up says item category is
KB?
KBN.
Oh,
KBN. Yeah.
N.
Now I'm going back. Yeah, KBN. We can check what are the meaning of KBN here. Go to the sale document item. In the sale document item, we go to the define item categories.
Mm-hmm.
KBN. KBN. This is a item category for consignment fill up. General item category for normal order is what? TN. But for consignment fill up, the item category is what? KBN. KBN stands for consignment fill up. Select and double click. Now you can see there's no billing, there's no pricing. Why? Because this material is going to the dealer place. There's no any transaction. So there's no billing, there's no pricing for this consignment fill up. Now, schedule line for consignment fill up. We go to the third level, that is a schedule line. And what is the schedule line for consignment fill up? One second. I mentioned here, but I forgot to give the name of schedule line. Here, schedule line for consignment fill up is E1. Okay, E1. So where the E1 here, you can go to the schedule line for consignment fill up, go to the define schedule line categories, and you can select E1. Where the E1, click on position and type E1. That is a stock transfer to consignment. CONS stand for consignment. C. Stock transfer to consignment without checking, without account. So here you select E1, double click. What are the movement type of consignment fill up? You have seen here 631. Now you can see 631. What does the 631 stand for? Good issue consignment landing. Landing where? Dealer's place. Okay. The movement type
Dealer.
is very important in sales. Why? For material we are selling to the different place. That is through the movement type. Without movement, the material will not move to the any place. So that 631 stand for good issue consignment landing, and that is to the dealer's place. That first we have sent consignment fill up. Next,
Mm-hmm.
next after the fill up, we go to the consignment issue. What are the sales document of consignment issue? Item category and schedule line. We'll see here. First, I'm going to the sales document of consignment issue. Go to the sales document header and go to the define sales document type. One minute. The sales document for consignment issue is KE in the German, CI in English. You can see position type CI. CI stand for consignment issue. Now the material reached to the dealer's place, that is issued to the dealers. Now he started selling. After the issue of the material to the dealer's place, he started selling material to the product to the customer. So what are the details we need to check under the consignment issue document type? Double click. You can see there is a delivery and billing, both is here. Okay, but in issue, in fill up there is no billing, but in issue there is a billing. Why? The difference between the what are the difference between consignment fill up and consignment issue is consignment fill up means just material landing to the dealer's place. There is no billing. Now the dealer started issuing the material to the customer, means he is selling the product to the customer. Then billing document is important here. That is a delivery related billing type F2, and delivery type is LF. This is important here. Clear?
Mm-hmm.
Now for this consignment issue, what are the item category? We go next level under the consignment issue is item category. Sell document item and go to the define item category. And here under the define item category of issue is KEN. What KEN stand? That is a issue, consignment issue. Select and double click. Now you can see here, this is a special stock issue, and in that you can see what are the special stock. W stand for here, that is consignment customer. Okay, this is important. Under the special stock, under the consignment issue item category KEN, that is W, that is consignment customer. Now here billing and pricing is, but in consignment flip there is no billing and pricing. Why? Because this simple is material is product is reaching to the dealer place. There is no billing and no pricing. But material now started selling by dealers to the customer. Then billing document is important and pricing. A, you can see what are the billing relevance. A stand for delivery related billing, like that. And pricing, that is standard. Now consignment issue, one more, last level, that is a schedule line. Go back, and what is the schedule line here for consignment issue is C1, sorry, C1, E1 for fill up, C1 for issue. Now we can go to the third level of consignment issue schedule line. Back and go to the define schedule line category. Under the schedule line, we go to the define schedule line category, and what C1 stand for, you can see here, C1, consignment issue. Okay, and what is the movement type of consignment issue? You go inside that, that is a 633. 633. Okay, that is a movement. Movement type is very important. Now this is the second step, consignment issue. Third step, that is a consignment return. Yeah, for this we need to know what is the sales document of consignment return, CR, what are the item category, what are the schedule line. Let's see. Go to the sales document header. Under the sales document header, define sales document type. And here consignment return. What are sales document of consignment return? That is CR. CR stand for 1 minute. CR, 1 second. I just check. Not CR. We have K.
KR. KR.
KR. Sorry, KR. KR, not K. KR. Correct. KR. That is a no. That's some. That is standard. KR. We are using the old version of SAP HD. Now it's CONR. So just I'm
CONR. Okay.
Yeah, I'm correcting here. That is not KR. It is a CONR. Now you can see CONR means consignment return. Select and double click. Now you can check, that is a document category. That is important. We need to know for the consignment return document category is H. H stand for what? You can see H stand for return, because the consignment is returning back. What returning back? The material, the product which unsold, which not sold, that is returning back to the company. That is called consignment return. And what are the sales document category H stand for? That is a return. Okay. Now one more area we have to know, under the consignment return document type, that is LR. Delivery type is LR. LR stand for returns delivery, not normal delivery. That is a return delivery. Okay. And what are the billing type? That is order relative billing is RE, means credit for returns. But the product which not sold, that will be returning back to the company, and that for billing document is RE. R stand for credit for return. This few point I'm discussing, you can play the video, you can understand again. That is the difference between normal order and consignment order, like that. So this is the sales document for consignment return header label. Next, under the sales document of consignment return item label, go back and go to the item category. Define item category. And what are the sales document for item category? What is the item category for consignment return? I just mentioned here KRN. Click on position, KRN type. Now you can see KRN stand for consignment returns. Select and double click. Now you can see these are special stock W that is related to consignment customer. And here one few more area we need to know, that is a billing relevance B, not A. Billing relevance B stand for what? You can check. B means order related billing, not delivery related. Delivery to we have delivered 1,000 products. Okay, see, we have delivered 1,000 products, but only 800 sold by this dealer. 200 is returning. So 200 is only returning back. So billing relevance is only order related billing, means out of 1,000 only 800 sold. So whatever the return back, billing only related to order. So that is B here. Now what are the delivery type? Sorry, this is only two important area. And pricing is a standard. X stand for standard pricing. Now, this is for return. Now one more label under the consignment return, that is a schedule line. Going back 1 minute, I just write what are the schedule line for consignment return is 1 second. DO. DO. Okay. DO. I'm just going DO a D0. 1 minute. I'm just going to the back under the schedule line for consignment return. Define schedule line category, and we have DO or D0, I think. Sorry, D0, not GO. D0. D0 means consignment return. Just I'm correcting here. That is a D0. That is a consignment return. And what is the moment type of this return? The 634. Now you can see. Select consignment return. 634 stand for what? Good issue receipt consignment. Sorry, good receipt customer consignment. That is a customer consignment returning back. Now this is the third step we have seen under the consignment process return. Last step, that is a consignment pickup. Now for consignment pickup, what are the sale document, item category, schedule, and we'll see here. Going back again, back, define sale document type for consignment pickup. CP. That is a consignment pickup. Select and double click. This is the normal only thing. Billing they're not required because this is returning back. So there's no billing required, only delivery, that is a LR, return delivery is coming back to the company side. That is a LR. There's no billing because already billing completed while while returning. So here only delivery type is important, that is LR for consignment pickup. Now consignment pickup item category. What is the item category for consignment pickup? That is a KAN. Go back and go to the item category. That is a defined item category. And what is the item category for consignment pickup? KAN. What is stand for KAN? Consignment pickup. Select and double click. There is no billing, there is no delay pricing required here because it's returning back, picking up by company. There is no billing, there is no pricing because it's returning back by company's own vehicle. That is a pickup. Then one more for the consignment pickup, that is schedule line, and there is a movement is important. And what is the schedule line here? That is a 632 is a movement type, and F1 is a schedule line. F1. Okay. Now we'll see here. Going back, Go to the define schedule line categories. F1, click on position and type F1. F1 stands for consignment pickup. What is the movement type of consignment pickup? That is a 632. This information is important to know about this 4 step: consignment fill up, consignment issue, consignment return, and final consignment pickup. So consignment goods are goods which are stored at the customer's location. Customer in the sense dealer's location, but which are owned by your company. The customer is not obliged to pay for those goods until they remove from the consignment stock. Otherwise, the customer usually return consignment goods which are not required. Means company send the 100,000 pieces of shampoo to the dealer's place. The dealer is started selling the product to the customer, that is the final user. What the product has been sold to the customer, billing only for that product. What product which unsold, not sold, that will be returning back to the company. So this is the concept of consignment. Hope so you understood this concept. Okay. Now I'll show how they create the sales order. Sorry, consignment order. I'm going to the main page. How they create the consignment ish fill up. First document consignment fill up. How to create, that is by VA01. Under the order type, we select CF. That is a consignment fill up. That is order type is CF. CF stands for what? Consignment fill up. Where the CF? Okay, anyways, I just type here CF. Now you can see CF is consignment fill up. This is the order type for consignment fill up. Then sales organization, distribution channel, division. Now enter. Now see, create consignment fill up. You give your customer need details, your material details, and order will be created. For example, 183, 100 pieces, that is sending to the customer place. Fix the quantity, continue, means 100 pieces going to the customer place. Then create. Simple. This is for consignment fill up. Now, next, once the product reached to the dealer's place, then started selling. That is another order, that is a consignment issue. VA01, instead of CF, we go to the CI. Here also the same. What are the product? What are the quantity reached to the customer dealer's place? It will be mentioned here. Then finally, once the product is unsold, in return back to the company, that is VA01. Yeah, and that is a return. CONR, enter. That is a return. And here, for example, customer is same, and but quantity of the material is not same. Okay, like suppose we have sent 100 pieces to the dealer place, but he is returning back only 20 pieces. The 20 pieces is back to the company, that we mentioned under the consignment return. And finally, VA01, that is a, we go to the consignment pickup. Pickup means the company send a transportation vehicle to the dealer place to picking all the material and back to the company's own premises. That is pickup, CP. Order type CP, that is a consignment pickup. The customer is same, and the product is also the same, and quantity what which not sold all will be mentioned here, like that. Here, any confusion regarding this 4 step? First, consignment.
No, I understand this. Yeah,
Yeah,
it's like
yeah.
logistics. It's like normal.
Yeah, logically we have to know, and we need to know this 4 step consignment fill up, issue, return, and pick up. In that step, we need to know what are the sale document of consignment fill up, what are the item category, what are the schedule line. Then for issue, return, and pick up, also we need to know what are the sale document, what are the item category, what are the schedule line. And in schedule line, movement type is very important. Okay, clear?
Yes, I got you.
So any other question regarding this? And the coming week you will be available.
We can have a lesson on Wednesdays as you wish.
Acha. Okay. Wednesday I have some marriage function in my place. Can we make any other day like either Tuesday or Thursday? You tell me.
Let me check. Let me check. I think we can have tomorrow.
We can have tomorrow. No, not an issue. We can have it tomorrow. If you have time, so we can continue tomorrow also. Not an
Oh,
issue. Okay.
or maybe you know what? Maybe not tomorrow, or maybe uh, Wednesday, 27
Uh,
of August. Is it okay for you? Maybe this day is better.
Not that is not Wednesday. That is Tuesday. 27 is
Uh,
Tuesday.
Tuesday. Yes, Tuesday,
Yes, yes.
27. Tuesday.
Only except Wednesday. You can ask me any other day. I'll be available. Not an
So
issue.
maybe let it be 27 of August.
Yeah, no, not an issue. We can have a session by 27th. We
Uh-huh.
can continue on that day. Okay, so here one more thing, just a few points also I have to discuss with you regarding this other topic, that is small area. Sorry, delivery. For example, we have not seen how to deliver the material. Okay, we have seen how to create the order, but we have not seen how to deliver the material. Okay,
Uh-huh.
clear? So the
Yes.
material which we are going to deliver to the customer, that should be maintained, that should be available in the stock. Otherwise, material will not go to the customer place. Simple. I'm just going to show you. I'm trying to do the delivery of the product because having this some integration part of also. Delivery is a integration part of Let's see. I'm just going to create a simple order VA01. I just go with normal order, that is PG or Procter and Gamble order with sales organization, distribution channel division with sales office and sales group like that. Who the customer? That is a 400. And what are the product? We are say order we have for this product. Any product we are selecting from here. Like see, for example, this is required integration also to deliver the product, because delivery is only possible when the stock is available in the system. If not is available, we can't deliver that product to the customer. We cannot create the delivery document here. So just a minute, I'm just going to create a first order, then later we'll see. For example, I'm selecting tide, and we are selecting, for example, 10 pieces. Okay, so I take another product 107, that is a Ariel, that is 10 pieces. I'm just going to create a normal sales order. By shipping point, everything okay. Then billing document, everything okay. Condition, maybe the price is not maintained, so I just go to maintain the price of this material. Tide. What are the price of this tide? For example, this is for 300 per piece. So total 3000. Other details and the schedule line, everything okay. Just go to create a simple order. Just see carefully. I just created the order. After create the order 15508, this we have to deliver this product to the customer place. Correct? Right?
Mm-hmm.
Now this order number you remember, and we can create a delivery document. So one second. I just go to copy this order number. How to create the delivery? After create the order, we go to the delivery of the item. Now we go to the main page, logistics, logistic execution, outbound process, good issue for outbound delivery, and there is a outbound delivery, and there is a create single document. Now you can see here numbers of steps we have followed: logistic, then logistic execution, that outbound process, then good issue for outbound delivery, then outbound delivery, then under the create single document. And we have direct transaction code also, VL01N for create, VL012N for change, and VL03N for display only. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So now VL01 for create. For example, I'm just going to use this create outbound delivery. and here we give the shipping point PGSP, that is a shipping point. When going to deliver same day, what are the order number 15508, and here delivery type will be standard. What are the delivery type? We remember LF. LF is standard delivery. Give the delivery type, order number, shipping point, and enter. Now, here few error will become. Order cannot be delivered because of some reason. Because of what reason? Product is not under the stock. Maybe the product is not available in the stock. So I'll just show you, that is part, how to maintain the stock in the system. First, I just go to the one transaction code to maintain the stock. You can also do while practicing. If not work, that leave it, because that is not required by sales and distribution consultant. But yes, knowledge purpose, you can do this step. Like I'm just going to one T code, that is MIGO, that is for goods movement. MIGO is a T code for goods movement, and here I just select good receipt, and here others. Others, and here movement type is 501, that is a good receipt without purchase order, and click on this button. 1 minute. Click on this button. Simply click on this button. You click on this button and you add your product with quantity. For example, with product we are going to deliver, that is a 107. Here you give your product number 107, quantity, like for example I am maintaining 400 quantity in stock, and which store location, PGSL, and where the plant, PGPL. The four information we maintain: material, quantity, store location, plant. That is for internal stock, maintaining the stock internal. Then 1 minute. Click the detail data and go down and item okay. Then click on check and post. Oh, no stock for the material. Okay. 1 second. Either 501 movement type or one more movement type we can use. That is under the MM. 1 second. I just check what are the another movement type. 561 also we can use. 1 minute. I just go to check whether system will accept or not. Okay, continue. Then maybe system is not accepting. Okay, leave it, because delivery is only possible the stock will be available. How to check the stock under the system for this material? The one transaction code we use to check the stock whether available in the system or not. So MMB is a T code for stock overview, and you give the item product number, material number 107, PGPL is a plant, and PGSL is store location. Give and click on execute. Here will show if material is available in the stock, show the quantity. 1 minute. So here it's not showing the quantity. So that job is done by consultant to maintain the stock in the SAP system. If stock is available, so delivery will be possible. Otherwise, system will show the error here. So this is the way to create the delivery. Again, I'm repeating. Go with VS01N, that is T code, and then you give your shipping point, from which shipping point the product is going to deliver, what are the order number 15008, and what are the delivery type, enter. Then you can create the delivery document. But here error is showing because the stock is not available. Now after the delivery completed, then next is billing document. Billing will be generated after the delivery, the billing. So how to create the billing document? Simple. Main page, logistics, then go to the sales and distribution. Then there is a billing. In billing, there is a billing document, and we have 3 transaction code: VF01 for create, of VF02 for change and VF03 for display. After the delivery, we can go by VF01 to create billing document. VF01 uh, give a billing type, that is a invoice. F2, where the invoice, invoice. Then which date the billing document will be generated, that is today, and you give your document number, that is order number 15508. Enter. No, it's showing incorrect because delivery is not completed, so that's the reason it's showing incorrect. So simple, after coming to this page, give your order number and click on save. The billing document will be generated. That is the way to create the billing document. Clear?
Mm-hmm.
So after sales order, we have seen how to create the delivery by using T code VL01N. We can give the order number with delivery type LF. After the delivery completed, then we go to the billing document, that T code is VF01. We can come to this page. We give the billing type, invoice, billing date, and the order number under the document, and then we create the billing. Clear?
Mm-hmm.
So
Yeah.
let's see in the Tuesday. Now you want Tuesday 27th.
Sorry?
27th.
No,
Next
on
class will be
Tuesday. Yes,
20.
27th of August.
Yeah.
Yes.
So we try to cover this topic which we have left today, because so many errors showing here. That is the integration between SD, FI also. The topic we have understood the theoretical part, but we see the practical part of this topic, that is third party sales, in next session 27.
Okay, at
Clear?
6 o'clock. I mean, at 18 of my time. Is it okay for
Yeah.
you?
6 o'clock your time. My time will be
Yes.
9:30, I think.
Okay. Okay.
9:30.
Let's
9:30.
do
Yeah,
like
it's
this.
okay. It's okay. General. As usual, we are having the same time by evening. We can continue by Tuesday, 9:30.
Okay. Good.
And you,
Good.
yeah, you start practicing. And don't worry, because see why this error is again coming, because someone doing some changes. Yeah, so better this error I have solved. Hope so the other error will not. Hope so new error will not come. If come, you send as simple that screenshot I solve, and I'll tell to Ajay. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
clear?
Okay.
No.
Mm-hmm. I
So
hope it will be.
yeah,
I will
because
practice
I can
today.
understand.
Let's
I
see.
can understand because we don't have any control. Numbers of users practicing in this SAP online server, they might be doing some changes. The changing affecting to the other users configuration part. That is a problem. Okay.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, that's a
So
problem.
let's see. Hope so error will not come again. If come, I'm here to give solve the error, and you simple you send the screenshot. I'll check.
Okay. Okay. I will do
Yeah.
this.
Yes. Okay then. See you on the Tuesday.
Tuesday. Yeah. Okay.
Bye.
Thank you a lot for
Bye.
the
Bye.
lecture,
Yeah.
and let's see
Yeah.
you.
Bye and
See
yeah.
you.
Bye and have a nice day. Okay.
Have a nice day.
Thank you.
Bye bye.